because the doctor was not around. My senior, by a year, was the surgeon to control. They said, he started giving instructions, resuscitating the students, taking those who had been injured to stitch them up. The nurses were excellent. In time, their own doctor, the people's doctor, arrived, but one person and so many injured students. In the midst of all this, I don't know whether the nurses said there was a gynecologist in the team. They came and said they have a problem in the gyne ward. So Mr. Kando, the surgeon, said, "You people go and see." And it turned out the lady had a ruptured ectopic. The anesthetist was not around. They mentioned the anesthetist had gone to watch a movie. Cape Coast Town Hall. No, the town hall. So somebody raced down to the cinema and brought him back. So fortunately, we salvaged that woman, even though we lost our students. And as you know, 2 of them were airlifted to Accra, one of whom also passed. So it was a very, we did not have any sleep that night. Then we heard a bell toll in the school when the student had died, and we rushed back to the compound. In fact, the student body, if you remember, were going to move to the police station. Oh yes, they were stopped by the old students who spoke to them in the assembly hall and managed to control them, because the chap had been arrested by the police. I don't know what happened to him subsequent in that case, but he had been arrested, and the students were determined to go and deal with him there, and they would have lynched him and destroyed the police station. Fortunately, our elders managed to control the students, and they went back. We didn't have any sleep, and really doubt the excitement with which we had gone. In fact, Dr. Taylor had come from Koforidua. Myself and Dr. Kando had gone from Accra. And we just all arrived at the same time, only to be told that a vehicle had run into the student. I said, "What did the students do?" He said he was passing first and the students hit his car. So he went